शूट बहुत ज़्यादा स्पेशल है, एक तो क्योंकि वो 2026 का पहला शूट है. ऑल्सो आई एम डूइंग इट विद वन ऑफ माई मोस्ट फेवरेट people slash designers. Her name is Sanjana and she is a birding designer, and I shot with her last year for her very first collection, and she's just great, like with work, as people. She's just a great person to work with, and she is a very good designer. That's like one of the very few budding designers I know, because lately everybody is just doing similar things, and with her she's just so good, even though she's just starting off. Not just starting off, it's been a while since her first collection has come out, but still one of the firsts. But she's just still so good, like overall I'm talking. So I'm just glad that I'm doing my first. So yeah, I'm excited. Didi friend बंद करने वाले टिकट फोन. My camera is dirty, I'm sorry. I can't clean it right now. Yeah. Carrying my jacket, and this is my coffee. I didn't have time to drink it, and also I'll talk in the cab. Reached. I need to show you my fit. I quite like it. Even see. Also, I did my own makeup, so I'm lost. I'll get back to you. इससे मैं पूरी स्कूल गर्ल लग गई because I'm carrying this bag. I'm also vlogging for YouTube. I had to, like, this is my first shoot and it's with you. So it's extra special. मेरा इस year का first shoot है.
How does it feel?
It feels very nice.
How was your New Year?
I was just at home eating grapes under my bed.
Does it work?
I don't know. I ate last year also, didn't happen. Instead I got my heart broken.
But yeah.
मेरे लिए तो दोनों equal है.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Side हो जाए हम.
See, no ना. I think go. How was Dubai?
Dubai was good. I mean, scary.
Scary.
But
First लेकिन अभी भी इंडिया काफ़ी पीछे है, like in terms of
these clothes.
these clothes भी, or like I think slow fashion in general, I guess. What do you want me to do?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Much better.
Nice. We do need a statement earring, but like थोड़ा सा
Not very over, but
Yeah.
something.
yeah.
Pearls won't.
It could actually if they are like huge.
No.
थोड़े. What about these? Like the simple ones.
How?
है ना? Parents.
Sahi tha Dubai. So the only good thing is my brother and so it's just luck.
But I think firsts are always like
It's
an
always
experiment.
a hit and miss.
Yeah.
With every pop up, even in India, it's always a hit and miss.
And I feel like not saying it in like a book language, but I feel like when you're doing your first anything, if it's too good, fine, but you get to learn ना.
Yeah.
First में ही अगर एकदम ही hit हो जाएगा ना,
फिर तो-
होना चाहिए, but एकदम ही हो जाएगा तो then your expectations will be like फिर
Yeah.
कभी second time third, because it can't always
Always
go.
go according to
हाँ.
us. Yeah.
So I think it's always good. Say.
Stress. What do you feel?
I think
mean,
now it looks very good.
Thus,
You were there for 2.5
I
months?
mean 2.5 months, but then to prepare everything.
Ah,
and
yeah.
she was Bhaga Dori is sleepless nights.
I-
But it's fun that way. Because
Yeah.
you just wake up and
Yeah.
you work and then you pass out.
Yeah.
There's no time
You
for
know, it's
overthinking.
kind of a best feeling, at least for me, matlab sometimes.
Same. Nahi, I love it. I
You
mean,
know? Although I don't support the hustle culture that
Yeah,
people
I
have been
know,
normalizing,
I know.
but when it comes to your work and you know you are doing it on time and not waiting for the end moment
Yeah.
to like do it, I really enjoy it. Like I would, if I could, I would shoot like 6 weeks a day. Trust me.
because that sleep hits different, you know. You
हाँ.
feel like you've done something and also
हाँ.
थोड़ा है कि आप पूरा
Yeah, yeah.
हफ्ता निकालना है,
हाँ.
काम बहुत है and at least अच्छा लगता है रात को
Yeah.
कि यार काम किया.
That's true.
I-
Also, at least for me at this age, I just want to like work and earn
Yeah.
money and then spoil myself.
You know,
Aisa.
seriously.
Yeah.
I mean, I feel 20s is best to experiment and run around
Yeah, yeah,
and
yeah.
honestly not like burden yourself with work, but in a
हाँ.
good way do everything because
Yeah.
hopefully it multiplies and it will
Yeah,
give
yeah.
you some
Of
result
course.
by
Yeah.
you know 20 and early 30s.
That's true.
वरना बहुत वो है.
And when you are doing something for work that you enjoy, it's another, like it's an adventure of its own na. Matlab you are not boring yourself
Yeah.
going to work.
Yeah.
It's hectic. I'm not saying it's easy.
It's not
But
easy.
when you enjoy the process,
Yeah.
it's like
I mean, you have to trust it.
It-
You don't
you
even have
have
to say
to.
trust the process.
Yeah, yeah.
Time नहीं है, कर
yeah,
लो.
yeah, yeah. And you can't rush.
You cannot.
Especially in our industry, you
Hmm.
can't rush. You know, recently my best friend got married. And
I saw some stories you
I
attended
designed
that
all
wedding.
my, not designed actually,
हाँ.
but all
You got
my
it
looks.
stitched.
हाँ, खुद से.
Oh, nice.
And I didn't buy anything, पता है?
Hmm.
I got stitched things from my mom's sari, which she had bought. Like every function I worn my mom's sari as a suit or something.
Nice, yeah. Must be fun, no?
It was fun. It was.
Hmm.
Should I just put it in?
दिखना तो नहीं चाहिए.
Looks nice, yeah. Wow, now it looks very nice. Like that. Very Rachel Green coded.
Charged है. You want to put music?
Yeah.
You want coffee something? You want to order something? I mean, Dubai is nice as more than a tourist. It's good to live there, like as a citizen, like not like a citizen, but it's nice. I like Dubai.
Let's go to Dubai together.
I know. Chalo, it's nice. It's 10x better than to stay there than in Bombay. It's like 10x better, upgraded India.
anywhere else is better than India.
At this point, anyway.
I know. At least for like a girl.
Yeah. उधर आप कुछ भी कर लो, कितने बजे भी चले जाओ.
Yeah.
It's all good.
Matlab, I can't wait to like get out of India.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't like it here at all. Acha, I was going to Bali. It was Thailand, and it was my first solo international trip.
How was it?
Oh my God, so much happened.
Yeah. Good.
I'm excited.
Photographer?
Yeah. He's a photographer, and he used to own a studio. Now I don't know.
Like when I'm like going to events and all, I'm wearing your clothes and not for free. Who will see? Like
Just in time, na?
I mean the entire, like, you're looking एकदम confident and feminine. That is the word, powerful. Yeah. That's what I was saying. कि outfit इतना powerful लग रहा है ना. Love it. That's so good. Guys, a moment for this fit. It's so good. It is so good. वो थोड़ा ज़्यादा
Done with the shoot. I did my own makeup. Can you see that? I love this song. I am so proud of my makeup. I did it. Got done, and I still look so fresh. I'm just so I don't know what was that, but yeah. Back from the shoot, and my makeup still looks so fresh, and I did it. I did this makeup. Camera ganda ho raha hai, but yeah, so happy. First shoot of 2026, and it went well, so well. I just love coming back home. Ouch. I had such a good day. Wait, let me just, yeah. Such a good day. This is how I look. Do I look good, or is just my hormones making me feel good about myself? Because I am also on my, not on my periods, before periods, where you get like happy hormones now. But this is how I look. I really like my off-duty model look. Will it be called on-duty model look or off-duty model look? I think off-duty, because on-duty to shoot wala tha na. But yeah. Okay, I was going to tell you that I did my own makeup. So on shoots where I need to do like no makeup look, I prefer doing it myself, because you know your skin the best, right? I think it's just nice. Let me know if I should like share a routine. Also, wait, there is somebody outside and I don't want them to hear. But I feel like I should give you my house tour. No, I shouldn't. I should make like a proper video for that. But I'm just so, I love coming back home. I love working also, but I just love coming back home and just, I'm happy.